sheer improbability of this victory is part of what makes D-Day so memorable.
The 2009 National Medal of Arts to Milton Glaser for a lifetime devoted to improving the way people communicate through innovation in graphic design and for memorable visual artifacts that challenge contemporary artists and delight all Americans.
I don't think a single one of Brad's fans has forgotten the post-race interview he gave on SportsCenter after taking the Cup in the Homestead last year. It was memorable for a few reasons, but mostly it was a celebration with the fans that helped to make his victory possible.
I'm sure it is a trip of friendship and exchange, and this trip will be remembered for them as a pleasant and memorable one.
Of all the incredible moments of our trips to Africa, one of the most memorable was being able to bring Michelle and later our little girls to my father's hometown in Kenya, where we were embraced by so many relatives.
The trips down here are memorable because we know that the president is a tremendous basketball fan.
Here. So Coach Wright and this team treated us to as memorable a run and as memorable a championship game as I can remember. It has been a memorable and at times a very moving visit.
For over 50 years, Robert De Niro has delivered some of screen's most memorable performances, cementing his place as one of the most gifted actors of his generation.